Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. What? No, don't mind him. Okay, today we're going to be doing a review on some earrings by Paprazzi. I'll tell you guys what the brand is about, what they are, and everything else. And I have Douglas sitting in with me today, and I have Kimo sitting in front of me. So we're going to talk about the earrings, and we're going to talk about what they are about, and if they're good for you, if they break out sensitive skin or anything like that. Please subscribe, like, and share to my channel. It would help me greatly to grow and improve. Write in the comment section below if you'd like me to come up with any other kinds of videos or anything like that. If you'd like me to review things or anything like that. And check out my social medias. My Twitter is... Sorry, my son's doing something weird. Okay, my Twitter is _McKinleyPhoto_. My Instagram is Mommy92016, and my Snapchat is McKinPortraits1. I will have them put right here so you know, and also you can find them on my main bar and in the comment section below. So, what?
There's always some.
Yeah, they're Sour Patch Kids.
I thought they were always just mindless.
Anyway, if you want to hear more about these earrings from Paprazzi, keep on watching. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about Paprazzi. It's a jewelry company. This is kind of what their logo looks like. And they are a kind of like independent consultant company, kind of like Avon or anything like that, like Scentsy, anything like that. Basically, they sell jewelry, and I guess all their jewelry is $5 a piece, unless you go for like their elite collection or something like that, and it's $25 a piece. But all their regular stock items are $5 a piece. So I got these earrings in. For free from one of the consultants. Her name is Jill Valero, and I'll have all her information in the description box below if you want to contact her for purchasing or becoming a consultant or anything like that. They are really pretty. I mean, like, you see, these earrings are really quite beautiful. Okay, so now this company, they say that all of their products, I'm reading from this little card she sent me, all of their products are 100% lead and nickel free, so it's perfect for sensitive skin, and everything is $5. So if anybody out there is sensitive skin, if you break out to anything, then okay, so if anybody out there has an allergy to nickel, which is a kind of a cheap metal that they put in not fake jewelry, but fake jewelry, you know what I mean, like jewelry that cosmetic jewelry, is that what they call it? Costume jewelry. Haha, my brain started to work. Costume jewelry, stuff that you don't wear all the time, and a lot of people are allergic to nickel. A lot of people are allergic to lead in this jewelry, and it makes them break out, and makes their ears sore, and things like that. Well, she sent me these earrings saying that they were all lead and nickel free, and that they were great for sensitive skin. Will you knock it off? So I figured I'd try them out. If they didn't bother my ears, then it would be a great company. Are you going to be in the shot or not? Okay. If they didn't break me out, then they'd be great, because I love wearing jewelry that looks pretty, that doesn't cost me like $8 million to buy, or even $100 to buy. I don't know. So we have a lot of kids, you really can't afford, unless you are independently wealthy, you really can't afford to spend all this money on jewelry. And sometimes you want to look nice, you want to have nice jewelry, and if you can't wear it, then it really sucks. So you have to spend, hundreds of money on gold and real stuff. And then it comes to a kid like this who just got his ears pierced, and he wants different kinds of jewelry, but if you put fake jewelry in his ears, he's going to break out. He's going to, he's going to get infected. He's going to be sore and all that stuff. So I'm trying to test this stuff out to see if this is a good jewelry for that. Okay. So these earrings have been in my ear since this morning,
and they look really pretty.
I mean, they're really pretty. I mean, as you can see, they are gold, they're sparkly, they're dangly, They are really quite pretty. They shine in the light. They're very pretty. Okay, but I have to say they've been on since about 9:30, 10, and it is currently, what time is it right now? It's about 10 o'clock right now, so they've been on for about 12 hours, and my ears are a little sore. I mean, they're not like bleeding or anything, but they are a little sore. So I don't know if it's because they're dangles and they're pulling, or if it's because they're irritating me or what. I'm gonna take it out.
Maybe they're just heavy.
Maybe. Hang on, I'm gonna take it out. And I'm gonna show you my ear.
On the sides.
Oh my god. Okay, sorry, my husband came in and had to talk to me. I took the earring out, as you can see. Look how pretty it is, though. I mean, really, it is quite beautiful.
And they really fit her.
I mean, well, and they're like my style, and you can, you know, I'll tell you more about the website here in a second. Anyways, okay, so my ear is sore. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to try and get in close. I don't know with this lighting. But this is my ear. Okay, there's no blood or anything like that.
Unlike mine.
But it is sore. I mean, it is sore. So I don't know if it's because of the earrings, like what they're made of, or if it's because of like the fact that I haven't worn earrings in a long time, or that they're dangles. I'm not quite sure. I do know that they did not start hurting until like a half an hour ago. So honestly, they did not start off hurting. They didn't hurt like after an hour or two. So this might be a really good product to buy if you're looking for an affordable jewelry company, and if you're looking for something that is not going to break you out right away, that you can wear, you know, throughout the day or to an evening out or something like that. I haven't tried out their necklaces, so I don't know if they turn your like skin green or anything like that. If I do order a necklace, which I probably will, then I'll review that as well. Now the website, it's really easy to go to. I'll have all this down in the description box. It's jewelryfromjill.com, and this is the independent consultant that sent this to me, so I'm just going to give you her information. And you can go on there and create your own gallery. You can pick from the stuff that you want, and they like add stuff to your own gallery and stuff like that. So it really try and customize it to you. So that's nice. So if you want to get text messages to her live Facebook sale reminders, this is, well, it's going to be backwards, but it's text 5JILL to 81257, and you will get reminders to the live sales events on Facebook, and then you can buy from there as well, and then you'll get a chance to like win free stuff and everything online too. And then I'll give you, like I said, I'll put everything down below, all this information I'll put down below, so if you want to try it out, you know, you can try it out for $5. And you know, for $5 you can't really go wrong. So that's pretty much it, and I will try it again. I will continue to wear it and see how it goes, but so far I really like it, and it's affordable, and I think that it's something that's worth value.
Yeah, it was.
Alright, thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.